Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. So Ethereum has pushed a little bit higher since the last update. It doesn't really matter, it doesn't really change anything. We're still holding around that previous swing high, the 178.6 extension at $3,690. That was the next upside target and we still haven't really broken above it. Any sustained break above it could send Ethereum quite directly actually to that next upside Fibonacci level at 3,938. And further updates, upgrades, extensions actually, are definitely possible. But we just have to be ready now for a wave 4 correction because this third wave has done what it needed to do. It is long enough, even the subwave structure is now full. But obviously, as I said, extensions are possible. That is why we are monitoring this structure for possible extensions, and that is also why I've given you a key level to watch that would confirm a decline, and that would be a break below 3,345. I've adjusted it based on the high because once we make a new high we have to adjust this level. It is the level that will be a good indication that we've actually topped. I mean, you could say for a local top, it might already be a break below the last low here that formed at 3,535. Sorry. But for a more, let's say, relevant or substantial confirmation, we want a break below the 78.6 retracement of that rally. All I can say is at the moment that this C wave in wave 3 is technically complete. But we're still printing higher highs and higher lows, so the wave count doesn't have to be completed yet. Visually it is, structurally requirements fulfilled, but we know that third waves like to extend. And all I can say is, okay, once we get a break below 3,345, and it wouldn't be a surprise at this stage, then we are going to watch for wave 4 support, or we will pay attention to it, And this is the area that needs to hold in that case. So once wave 4 starts, we have to pay attention to the following levels: 3,017, 2,826, and 2,647. This needs to hold, right? If this is a wave 4 pullback, and then ideally we get another wave 5. Now, looking at the larger time frame for Ethereum, if we look at the daily chart, let's get it to load, then you can see that we have seen from the August low a wave 1, a wave 2. We're now in the third wave, and then there should be a 4-5. Now, this wave 4 support also needs to be adjusted with the price moving higher. So obviously the 1 hour one will be a bit more precise, but this is the support before then one more high in wave 5 happens, which would complete likely an A wave. So that's what I'm watching for a leading diagonal, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in A. Then possibly afterwards another B wave pullback and another C wave up, which would then complete likely the entire cycle from the 2022 low. So I'm still looking for higher prices. Potentially there might be a phase in which Ethereum is going to outperform Bitcoin. Well, we haven't seen that phase. Maybe it's sort of in the process of starting. It's, you could say it's due, but the market hasn't shown us a signal yet that Ethereum is really starting to outperform Bitcoin. But I mean, this would be the ideal time, like in the final phases of that bullish market that started in 2022. It would be ideal, and for sure, Ethereum can move up more directly, absolutely. We haven't got any signal yet that this third wave has topped. Next upside levels, 3,940. That's not only the next Fibonacci level, it's also here the May high of this year. That's the update about Ethereum. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.